This 2024 Entegra Coach Esteem XL 32U is a Class C RV. It is located in Epsom, New Hampshire, 03234 and is offered for sale by Blue Compass RV New Hampshire. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Entegra Coach is 34 feet 0 inches in length and features Sleep 6 Slideout. The floor plan layout of this Class C features Bunk Over Cab outdoor entertainment. This 2024 Entegra Coach Esteem XL 32U is built on a For F550 4x4 chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.